In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from Close CRM. This can be an essential step for maintaining the right level of access within your organization, especially when team roles change or when someone leaves your company. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Close CRM platform. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there, which is your main navigation panel within Close. From this menu, click on Settings. This section is where all the magic happens regarding user management and customization of your Close CRM experience. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you need to find and click on Team Management. This is the hub for controlling who has access to your CRM and what level of access they have. It's a critical area when it comes to managing your team effectively, ensuring everyone is aligned with their appropriate permissions. Now that you're in the team management section, take a moment to identify the user you intend to remove as an admin. You'll see a list of all team members who currently have access to your Close CRM. Carefully scroll through and select the user you wish to delete. This step is crucial, so double check to make sure you're selecting the correct person. Once you have the right user, look for the delete icon next to their name. It typically looks like a small trash bin or a minus sign indicating removal. When you click the delete icon, a prompt will likely appear, asking you to confirm your decision. This is a standard procedure to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice, and the user's admin privileges will be removed. This action is often permanent, so it's good to be absolutely sure before proceeding. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Close CRM. Remember, managing user access is a vital part of maintaining the security and efficiency of your CRM. Regularly reviewing and updating user roles can help ensure that your team is both productive and secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Close CRM usage. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.